Cool.
Good morning, guys. How we doing? Let's get this. Let's get this London session. Let us get this London sesh.
I'll mute myself a little bit because my daughter is.
Oh, no problem at all. Yeah.
You can hardly hear her.
Yeah.
Okay, not like this chickens in South Africa, yeah?
No, not like the South African screaming in the background.
Man, I've been asking him, is there any place we can eat an ibis? But apparently they're protected.
I'm sure that they taste magically.
They probably do.
IBIS is the name of the bird?
RBRS. It's called a hardy-dar, but it's actually an African ibis. No, that's not it.
Wow, they are ugly birds.
Wait, that's not it. That one there in the fourth picture on the
Listen.
top.
Okay, so it's called the Hadada ibis.
It's a hardy-dar. And they make a lot of noise.
This
Hardy
one.
Da sounds like a song from the South Texas. Hardy Da.
Oh man.
Man, is this a trading site or are we bird watching? Come on, man.
Alright, I'm waiting on GJ and the 45-minute candle closed below this level and I was shorting.
Ooh.
You're gonna make me trade GJ on a Friday?
You want to short GJ now?
Yeah, I want to
Wow.
short GJ. After it closes below this level, because we have this clean channel to the left. And because of the bearish channel, I'm actually expecting it to break that and continue down.
Mm-hmm.
Is what I want to see. But since when have we gotten what we wanted to see?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Da 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 da. Let's see. Tasty.
Tasty chicken.
Do people eat hadadas? One blogger posted a tongue-in-cheek recipe for hadada meal that ends continuing cooking process until it becomes tender. Throw away the honey. Oh.
Oh, the spread is really good.
On FP markets, it's the best.
Yeah. 5 points on GJ, 0 on GU.
Look at the gold spread. It's one of the most impressive things I've ever seen.
At 1 pip at the moment.
Yeah, exactly. On other sites, you get 2 pips, this and that. With them, it's pure.
IC market is 1 pip as well, but then they take $20 for opening 001.
What?
You need to make $20 on the ounce just to cover your commission.
Lol.
Oh, that's way too much. I mixed myself out of there.
What's the commission on the new one?
I've not opened anything yet, but I think
Well,
it's
just
$2 or $3.
open
No.
some.
Okay, I'll open some. GJ sells. 0. Oh no, I can't open yet. They won't let me.
Okay, yeah, it's spending. Your account is spending. Yeah, now I see it.
Okay. Yeah, I verified everything.
Gold is looking nice. Let's see. Today is gonna be an interesting day.
Every day is interesting day.
Yes, sir. I like that.
Okay.
Alright. Guys, are you guys looking at anything?
Oh, Andrew, this gold. 35 pips.
Yeah, we missed it. But it's okay.
Guys, check out the link I've put in the chat to FP Markets. For whoever wants to check out FP Markets, they have some of the best spreads and commissions in the game. What I didn't know about FP Markets is how big they actually were. And so the reason why we went to FP Markets is because Tariq and I sat one entire day and looked at reviews of every single company out there. And
I did the same today, and the same came to mind.
yeah, FP Markets is ranked amongst the best brokerages out there.
And they're Australian, right, DC?
Yep.
Okay. Seems like Australia's got a lot of big brokers. RC Markers, this one, and there's another one as well.
Yep.
Maybe it's simply just because the laws there are
And
fairly.
in FP Markets, you can trade anything. Like you can even trade shares and everything through MT5.
Oh, wow.
Give me a second.
Still won't let me do anything. Okay. And you know what happened to me yesterday too? I had a position on gold open, and my MetaTrader stopped working. Seriously, I couldn't do it on my phone. I couldn't control it on my PC. It just stopped
Did you
working.
win or lose?
I got break even, luckily, but
Oh,
I was in profit.
Yeah, look at FP Markets liquidity providers. Society General, State Street, Barclays, BNP, Citibank,
bank.
Credit Suisse, Commerce Bank,
Yes.
Goldman Sachs,
Yeah.
HSBC, JP Morgan, RBS, Standard Chartered. So you can see exactly the people we're trading with. They're people who are like, I think this is just below that of trading with an institution, you know, which is like Saxo
Yeah.
Bank. Saxo Bank is like an institutional trading platform.
That's some big names there.
Exactly. That's why like I'm actually looking at moving from Vantage to FE Markets like permanently.
You
Do
just
they-
got a small account with them, DC, or
Right now I have the small one, but I'm thinking of completely moving. Just having one account with them because I told you that the reason why I want to move to FP Markets is I want to have all my money just in one place, a place I trust, you know. Rather than I don't want to have multiple accounts here, there, this and that, you know. I will close all my other brokerage accounts at every other company and just have one broker. That's it.
so you're going to put all your eggs in one basket.
Yes.
Yep.
Wow.
Because it's like I get what you all are saying, but you can manage one account the best, you know, with the best of your ability than trading multiple accounts. Because if like
Yeah.
let's say like if I'm making excess money like that, right? where I need to have my money in different brokerages and stuff like that. That will come when someone on FP Markets' level comes and takes, the top again. So then we'll split funds over there. And that would only be for security reasons, nothing else. And even probably just hoarding money, to be honest. Oh man, 1 minute. Hello, let's go. So yeah, so that's why I wanna have it with just one place, it's like one bank, one brokerage, everything, just one. Makes life a lot easier.
Yeah, it's still not active.
Yeah, so they'll take a little time and then they'll open it up for you.
But you can trade RC market still. You left money in there, did you not?
Yeah, I leave some money in IC Market. Yeah, I have the account still, so it doesn't affect me.
How much do you deposit into?
I deposited 200 now, but I'm gonna move this
Yeah.
another 1,300.
So try it out. If you really like it, then completely move over.
Yeah. No, I don't like IC Markets anymore. I
Yeah.
mean, they have nice customer service, and as Andrew was saying, like with the withdrawals, they literally do it in a couple of days, and no problem at all. But if I'm
But
gonna give
yeah,
away 50% of my profits just for commission, then
no point. Yeah.
it's like tax, no?
Let's go.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Yes, sir. Alrighty. Okay, we're turning CAT JPY, AD JPY, gold. Why do people prefer GJ over UJ? It's just that GJ is one of those pairs that can give you 10-20 pips really quick. Really, really quick. So let's see.
It can also take 10, 20 pips really quick.
Really, really quick.
In fact, it seems to take much quicker than it gives.
Oh man. Let's go.
Where's our Teagle this morning? I need coffee.
Wait, did you just hear what you just said?
Yeah, but he's the Teagle, even though he makes coffee too.
Oh,
I'm just wondering if he's sitting in the chat waiting for us to trash talk him.
Oh man.
this GJ doesn't look tempting anymore, does it?
No, I was just not looking at that and no, it does not look tempting.
You can't buy it, you can't sell it.
There are some potential risky buys above 160 flat, which I may potentially take it.
161.
Yep, flat. Key psychological area, so a break of that should take us to the top of the range. Around 20 pip range.
I think I'd rather have a risky sell on gold.
Gold is very difficult right now, in my opinion.
Yeah, I
we,
don't think so. Touching gold.
yeah, we just tapped into this 4-hour kind of, you can call it a support area. And I don't like it. What we're noticing on gold is a massive slowdown right now. It's slowing down big time.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not going mental crazy, but it's not really slowing down as well.
No, like, as in, we're not moving. So, if you look at it, since yesterday's highs, it's moved only 200 pips. And since Asian session, it's moved 80 pips. Otherwise,
Only 200 pips.
only
That's
200
it.
pips. Because look at the moves we were actually having. 360. 400.
Yeah, I know what you mean. It
Yeah.
just sounds funny. Say it on AUD USD.
500.
It's only moved 200 pips the last 5 years.
Tony Gold, DCI definitely appreciating you putting me on Finautive. They are the best, hands down. What did I tell you, Tony Gold? You cannot regret it. Fantastic, I'm so happy. You're happy. Because Finautive funding is the best prop firm in the game. I've said this again and again. I hope you people get it. I hope you all use Finautive because Finautive is the best out there. So the thing with GJ is right now, if you look at it, we're coming down right in this channel. So that's what is keeping us from moving up. So if we're gonna move up, we need a break above this level. And that. So you know what? Actually, shall we just do complete top-down analysis on all pairs?
Go for it.
Let's just do top-down analysis completely on all pairs. So higher time frame, gold, we're about to break the monthly low, previous month's low. Look at that. Very interesting. So there you go, we're breaking the previous month's low. We were not able to stay above these highs. That was 1845 was the level at which we stopped. We have a support coming down to 1630. So this is currently the range we're in, right? We have this range, so coming down to the weekly time frame. We rejected this resistance, 1945 to 1955. So if you look to the left, you'll see exactly what we rejected. Right? So there you go, you see this zone that we rejected up here. And we started coming down. So the question is, what did we break? So where is the next support for this? For me, that is down over here. The next support for gold is down at 1780, 1790. Yeah, coming down to this level will be very nice. And then we also have the key psychological level, 1800. Right, that's what I'm gonna be leaving. Alright, they're marked. Let's come down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we've tapped into this level. So also the daily has no top wick. Very interesting. Daily has no top wick. So what we noticed on gold is, so long we did this, we then broke out, we retested this resistance after the breakout, and we continued down. So as of now, we know we're in this bearish formation now because we've broken, since we've broken the bullish formation, we know now what formation we have on it. So looking at the daily time frame, it's been a very sharp fall right over here. Coming down to the 4-hour time frame. A very nice little top channel that's forming up there, bearish channel. Yeah, a very nice little bearish channel has been formed out over here. And what we're noticing is we're about to come back below this interesting range over here on the daily time frame. The interesting range extending from 1818 to 1820. So can you see this previous daily range that we were in? So if we are to close below this level, you guys kind of know what's gonna happen. Okay, so 600, 600. Alright, so can you see how important this range is? 1720. So we do have the ability to go down to 1720. Sorry, 1820. So once we reach 1820, we'll have to see how we're gonna break below, retest to continue down to the support at 1800. Or are we gonna start rejecting 1820? Alright, so look at this. So even the clean traffic on GJ on gold is barely even there. Okay, 360, 420. $18.45 and above would be an interesting level because that's the previous resistance. This is the previous support, 18.32. So on gold right now we have this a little clean drop that we have, right? Down to here you go. We're flipping the monthly candle. Sorry, we're breaking the previous monthly candle and we're actually dropping to 18.20. So I think yeah, gold is good to drop to 18.20. Gold volume has not been straightforward. Exactly, gold volume has not been straightforward. Yep. So guys, you see this? Now, where is your best higher probability trades? You know, it's not trying to trade within this range because don't trade within this range. It's dangerous. Look for how you can get a trade into this clean traffic. So like, even this 1 hour is looking pretty good. Let's just try to clear it up. 120. Look for trades above this level. Sincerely. Here. Above 1830 is what I would say. So gold can push to 1820, but for me, I'm a little bit offset on gold right now.
GJ just broke above 161.
Okay, let's check GJ now. Because GJ is the pair I am looking at taking a trade. It broke oh, but this is the new candle. It didn't close above 161.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's the potential of volume just kicking in and taking it to the next resistance, but I was waiting for a closure above this level. We can wait for this 15-minute to close on GJ. There you go. GJ pulling back. So that's why I wait and GJ shots from down here. 800. Just let me know, okay, Jacob, if it does anything. So there you go. So there you see gold. That's what we're technically looking at. So the idea on gold also is when a pair basically trades, right? Trades up, like forms a channel, right? Especially gold, we formed a channel for a very long time. You could have bought at every single low, you know, that was formed on a particular channel. So when we form a channel like this, it's very important for you to be able to locate and see, okay, where is my best possible entry? So since we were looking short on gold, our best possible entry was at this zone that we saw gold going up to, you know. So in that, where could we potentially enter? So even in that, you go down the time frames, you see you can get a potential entry and so on and so forth. It should take you, yeah, it should give you some good pips. But gold right now, it's moving down, so I'm just gonna let it be. I'm really not looking at, you know, trading gold right now. If I was in from here, but that was Asian session, that would have been nice. But since we're not in from there, there's no trade for me right now. Let's go to GU. Because GU is actually very important. We actually have to look at GU very clearly because on the higher time frames, this is a break and retest. So we could be looking at continuation sells on GU. Alright, so looking at GU monthly time frame, there was a support over here. We went above, we faked out, we came back. $1.21500 was the level. We went and formed a resistance at 1.24. Coming down to the weekly time frame, there is nothing much on the weekly time frame to look at other than we're breaking this support. So we're kind of changing the trend over here. If we're looking at the weekly time frame from a market structure point of view, there is potential for GU to come down to this zone right over here to form a non-trend pattern at the key psychological level 1.70 to 1.70500. There you go. So this zone is basically the 61.8% retracement. According to the bullish patterns and bearish patterns, that's we're right now in a bullish pattern because we created the bullish M where we created the higher high. Second. Oh. There you go. And we also have the level down here, no problem. We'll take a look at that eventually. Alright, so just looking at this, let's look at the daily time frame. Okay, so we have a trend line that extends over here. There you go, which we're right now tapping actually. Very interesting. So we're right now tapping the trend line. 1 second. 200. We have this zone right over here. Alright, so GU is basically trying to push down right now. We have the trend line over here which we're tapping into. But we have been coming down, so this is the lower high, right? So you guys kind of understand why we're pushing down a little further. Alright, looking at the higher time frames, daily time frame, we have this support right here. We have this major support right over here too. Difficult. Let's look at this. This zone right here is gonna be very interesting. 1.18500. Because we can come down and tap that zone very well. $720. So you can see what's happening over here. We just tapped into this region right over here, so this is intriguing. 1.19400 I think should be a good zone to look at. Yeah, so that's a pretty good zone. For us, what we want to see is what are we going to do over here in this region, because if you look at the 4-hour time frame, we've been coming down for some time now. It's been a very steep fall, and now we're right at this trend line. Will we reject it or what is the question. Last night we were rejecting it, Asian session we were rejecting it, so the question is what is gonna happen now. So let's get a little up close now. Um, we could expect some moves above this level, which would be breaking the trend line and using this previous demand zone which we popped off from. Alright, so anything we look for to continue up would be this, right? Until then, we don't touch the buys. Until then, we don't touch the buys. We need to wait for a break of structure to handle the buys.
There was some news on GBP and they all green.
All green?
Yeah.
Let's check it out. The problem I'm having with Geo is we do have this nice drop, okay, coming down. But it's not clean. Second, let's go 50 and 350. Like a 10 pip zone. So until we get below that range on Geo, right? So you see what I'm targeting, right? If we get below this zone, we have this entire range we can fill. You see this? So that would be a target. Right? So if we do get a closure below this level, this would be our target range. So a target range, let's actually make this extended to the right. So we have an idea of what target we have. Because this is the high and the low of the range. Even if you want to make it like this is the high and the low of the range, that's possible. But we have this nice high and low. But we have, don't forget the important level. Key psychological level 1.19. So there you go. Until we break below this, no trade.
GG closure in 2 minutes. 15 closure in 2 minutes.
Is
and
it
it's
closing
looking
above?
it's trading above at the moment. Now it's back.
Let's look at the higher time frame. Okay, let's do the same thing with GJ. The thing with GJ is we have this. A little bit of a scumbag one on GJ. Looking at GJ monthly candle definitely wants to push up in my opinion. What do you think, GJ monthly candle?
They broke the previous one, but reversed back.
The weekly candle wants to close above.
Yeah.
But this is a dangerous place to buy then because the weekly is trying to close above. So the thing is you could give yourself the opportunity, but you have to accept the risk. If we do take this trade, we're gonna go break even very fast. Nah, I don't think it's gonna close above. What do you think?
You never know. This is, it's just 2 pips.
Yeah, let's just wait for the 30-minute close then. If it's unclear to us, Yeah, 15 didn't close above, so there you
Didn't
go.
close above. No.
Waiting game. So look at this, guys, okay? So this is the resistance that we have here on the weekly time frame, right? The next weekly resistance is all the way up here, so we have a really nice range to the upside. Come down to the daily time frame. Look at how the daily candles have been struggling to close. Oh, but GJ on the daily looks bearish for the day. Let's see. Oh no. GJ is actually looking bearish. That move we're looking at could actually just be a fake out. Wow, okay. GJ for the day is actually bearish in my opinion. But let's see. Will it continue or not?
We'll find out soon enough.
Find out on a vlog near you. The problem with GJ is we've done both things. You know? We made the we made the higher lows and the lower highs. Just look at the 4-hour time frame. What chaos is that?
Yeah.
We've made the lower highs and the higher lows. So put 2 and 2 together and it's not very good.
And it adds up. It adds up, adds up.
It adds up because if you add 2 and 2, it adds up.
Anjo's not even saying anything.
Because it added up.
Or he's adding up.
He's adding it up. Andrew, where you at, boy?
Catching chickens.
Chicken.
I'm
African
right here
chicken.
listening to you to trash talk.
Chicken. Nothing like some good chicken. Alright, GJ is actually looking pretty decent. Because judging from yesterday's impulsive move, right? We just tapped into the 78.6 and we can continue down on GJ.
Flippity flappity.
Yeah, this is what GJ
The,
is doing.
the 30-minute, no,
Just
it has
don't
a yeah,
don't
it has
touch.
a possibility of going up, but
Yeah,
yeah, it's very risky.
don't touch GJ. We're seeing the impulsive move to the downside, so better not to. Alright, guys. So be cautious of GJ. Look at it, okay? I've marked everything for you guys. You okay? Once we make it past this other low, we're gone. We should continue because that is finally a proper lower low and a break of that structure. Okay, so let's see GU. Guys, if you're new here, say what's up. Euro JPY. Send me a chart, man. Send me a chart. If you guys want to interact, right, join the Telegram and send a chart. All you have to do is... Let me put this here. All you guys have to do, can you see this? There's the camera icon, right? Click that camera icon, say copy chart image, right? Come to the chat, paste, send. Okay? So just come here, right click, paste, and you can send in a chart, which we can all have a look at and see what you're looking at too. It's gonna be difficult for me to look at multiple pairs, but if you want, I can look at what you're looking at and let you know if I think it's alright or not. I think my highest potential trades are all on GJ. Come on, GJ.
We're going, I think.
Yeah. I want a closure at least above 050. That would be really nice.
Mm. Even break of the previous high would be good.
Mm. So guys, join our free Telegram in the chat. Send in your charts. We discuss it. We can look at it and see what is best. DXY has been going up as expected.
What is this?
I need you to close below 19,300. What's the range on this trade? there's a 70 pip range for GU if we break below 300. So let's see, I would actually be voting for GU to break below 300 then.
Alright, yeah.
Guys, if you have any questions and doubts, feel free to put it in the chat. Okay, give me a second, guys, just getting a call. Alright. Oh, we got Hector also with us today. Alright, GJ is rejecting this level. So,
No, I was muted. Yeah,
yeah.
massive rejection.
Yeah, I mean, the goal would be for GJ to break the lows now. But those stocks would have been huge. Unless you got in like right there, but if GJ is falling, I'm expecting GU also to fall. I want to see it close below 300. Even a 45-minute closure below 300, I'll be fine with. Abhishek. Yep. Yes, Abhishek. That is exactly what we are looking for. Good stuff. Good stuff. So Abhishek, I'm actually looking at a potential GJ trade since we're anyway in this bearish channel. I'm looking at a potential short from this level, 800. A potential short from 800. You know. So if we're expecting to come to this, even if we're expecting to retest off of this, we have around 20 pips before that. So that would be nice. So perfect, there you go. You send a chart, I will respond. Good stuff, Abhishek. Stay focused, people. Stay focused. Gold is moving down to 1820 as expected. So it should, technically it should move to 1820. Andrew, have you taken any trades? Hector, any trades?
No, got nothing. I don't think I'm going to trade today.
Nothing. There you go. Alright, Tony. Tony sent in a nice chart on AJ. $17.74. Where are we on that? 17. Oh, down here. Yeah, if we break through these levels, we'll definitely be looking at. Give me 1 minute, guys. Today, I don't know why I'm getting so many. So, yeah, so we should be able to move down if we clear 1820, close below it. It's just a matter of time. Guys in the YouTube chat, if there's one thing you guys should do this weekend is focus on what are you gonna trade. Am I gonna trade a funded account? Am I gonna trade a personal account? There is no reason as to why one should one should keep giving their money back to the markets by trading multiple accounts. Try to structure what you're doing, you know, try to structure what you're doing now itself. Structure it. Say, okay, I'm gonna trade this challenge. If I pass it, I pass it. If I don't, I don't. But I'm gonna trade this challenge for said amount of time. You know? Focus on that. Because the minute you start trading multiple accounts, your entire time is like trying to figure out on what's going on multiple accounts. You can't focus on one thing. Don't be a jack of all trades and master of none. Focus on one account. If you're willing to risk it also, and you're gonna put a trade copier, put a trade copier, but focus on one account. Like, okay, I'm gonna take only the best possible trades on this account and let it copy it to all other accounts. Awesome, let's do that. You know? You gotta keep that in mind. You gotta keep yourself vigilant. I think we're gonna get a GJ shot. Let's hope. Let's hope. Come on, GJ, let's shot. I'm looking for below 800. And I don't want a big stop, GJ. Come on, maybe like a 10 pip maybe. Let's see when GJ breaks down. Alright, so that's why I said you guys need to focus on what is playing out best for you, you know? As far as funding companies go, you know, next week we will be collaborating with another YouTuber, Tamas from Alpha FX. So we will be collaborating with Tamas, and so you will see next Monday onwards we will be going. 1 minute, was that me? Hector, no, we haven't heard you. You're muted. Alright, so from next Monday, we'll be trading a 200k challenge with global trader funds. With global trader funds, yeah. So you guys get the vibe, you'll know exactly what. For those who want to start a challenge with me next week, right? For those who want to start a challenge with me next week, here's it. An exclusive 10% discount. Just use the code GTF10DC and you will get a 10% discount on all the challenges. globaltraderfunds.com. Check it out. Let me just put it in the chat. Yeah, Global Trader Funds. And use code GTF10DC. Alright. So those who want to start the 200k challenge with me and follow only the trades I take on that account, feel free to do so. Feel free to do so. Alright. So that's why I'm going with Thomas and the guys from Global Trader Funds. Firstly, because I trust Thomas and I trust Alpha FX, their entire academy that we are part of. And so, you know, if you guys want a really good prop firm that you can trust, that is built by a trader, he's the founder of it. So if you want a prop firm that you can trust and believe in by a trader, built by a trader, Global Trader Funds is the one to go to. Alright, so get ready for next week, guys. We're gonna be going hard at it. Alright, GJ, what are we gonna do? I'm gonna wait. This is a no trade range for me on GJ till we break up. So you guys know the vibe. Just be cautious, careful. Look in what you're aiming for. You know, what are you aiming for? Jacob, can you hear me?
Yes.
Alright, I can hear you too. I don't know why Hector's. Hector, just check your settings in the Google Meet. Google Meet. Andrew, why are you so quiet today? Jacob, did you say something to Andrew?
It's Friday.
Maybe.
I'm taking it easy.
Friday then.
Saturday, Sunday, what?
This guy made a career, huh?
Yeah, from just that one song.
It's not even singing it. It's just dancing a little bit in front of the car.
Yeah. Yo, people are making crazy money off of doing rubbish, so yeah.
Yeah,
And
we
we're
should
doing-
start.
And we're doing rubbish off of crazy things. Uh,
Can you guys hear me now?
yes, I can hear you.
All right, for sure. Thank you. So, how you guys doing?
Oh, good. All perfecto.
That's good. Dan, I'm looking at GU. GU looks good.
Hector finally. GU, right? Ooh, GU, look at that pop on GU. Will we get GJ to close above there? Come on, GJ, stop wasting our time. Stop wasting our time. Da 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 da. Okay, so this is the 45-minute candle that's closing. I'm gonna wait for the next 45. If it closes, see, firstly, I need this candle to close above all these other candles. Secondly, I will wait for the candle to break the, to make a bottom wick and then break the previous high. But of course, if it doesn't close up there, I wanted to close nice and strong above Asia. Come on.
Yeah, even gold.
Sissy GJ.
Yeah, go.
Yes, yes. Okay. Come on, GJ. It's not closing strong and nice, you know? Let's make a bottom make and then you can take a half risk trade over there. It did close above 161. So we're making that bottom, let's see how far we can go. How low can you go? How low can you go? Alright, so now if this 15-minute flips, I'm gonna get in on GJ. 0.25. And I will use this current candle that's forming the low as stops. And if it just continues down, I'll be more than happy. Let's see. Gold is flying. Is gold flying, guys? Wow, gold also is reversing. Beautiful. I was actually expecting gold to go a little further down to 1820. 1820. Should I? What would our stops be if GJ were to flip 8 pips? If this 15-minute closes down, then I'll delete my buy stop. Because that's a 1 hour respecting it. Guys, I'm deleting my buy stop. No more buy stop. I don't like it. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No, I don't
Don't
like
you?
it right now. I don't like it.
Okay.
I'd rather wait for the 1 hour close and then look at buys.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait for London.
Yeah.
We're like 10 minutes away.
Oop.
The 5-minute is closing above this level. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think the buys are gonna come to us. What do you think? We're stuck within this range. It's actually better to just sit on our hands and wait.
I'm not sure.
Sit on it, Jacob. Sit on it.
I can't. You know me.
Hmm. Gold was doing the pre-London fake out. Hmm. It's just right now, guys, I have nothing on gold right now. Other than if we come above this level, to be honest. Ooh, look at GU. Come on, GU, below 300.
Yeah, Geo retraced very, like, mitigated the whole move.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Look at GJ. GJ is unable to close above that level, so I'm not going to be looking at GJ anymore. Other than sells, because if you look at that, we've just been rejecting 161 flat. The psychological level is holding. So I do believe in a short squeeze that's gonna come on GJ and GU. Come on, let's get a short squeeze. Okay, GU, let's go. 5 minutes left. Come on, can we close below? 300. Let's look to the left. 300 looks good.
What are your stops on this?
On the next candle that it creates.
Oh. Looks.
Because otherwise your stops would be like 30 pips. No, thank you. But we need the closer below 300. No 300, then nothing. Even GJ, if we're gonna take a shot, it has to be below 800. Three minutes left. We need the short squeeze. Goes. Come on, GJ or GU, give us a trade.
One of you at least.
Yeah. Come on, don't be a boring Friday. I don't want a boring Friday. I want a freaky Friday.
You should enter any position then. You get your Freaky Friday.
Just freak out on Friday.
This is crazy.
Yeah. It's alright.
Yeah.
The market can waste all the time in the world. Because we will just sit here and not care about what's gonna happen. Because our patience and tolerance level is otherworldly.
Yeah. Speak for yourself.
No, I speak on behalf of all of us. We're the most disciplined, most patient, most.
I'm not doing that. I'm not doing
Send me a picture of your terminals, Jacob.
Really?
How many trades are you in right now? Is this London Open? Yeah, London Open. Let's
Yeah,
see.
London Open.
London Open. We closed in the middle of nowhere. What a waste of time, man.
Yeah, it's probably gonna range.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the next 15 closure at least.
I know. It's been really boring lately.
What? Geo. Maybe it's an impulse. No top wick on 1 hour. Beautiful. Love it.
Yeah. Hector,
I love it.
tell us one of your stories, Hector, rather than this rubbish.
Yes. All ears.
Actually, oh, I know you guys don't look at EJ, but EJ is moving.
EJ is moving in which direction?
Bullish.
Geo's
Yeah.
crossing. It's trying to break below 300. Let's see.
That's broken.
Yeah, just broke 300.
All right, I think I'm gonna sell GA.
Sell what? GJ, if we break 780, I'm looking to.
GJ, yeah. I said GJ.
Yeah, at 780. If we break 780, I'll get into GJ. Because that's breaking the 4-hour low also. So let's see, 780, around 780, 770.
Oh, purple.
Okay, your stop loss gonna be.
Pardon?
I said, how big are your stop loss gonna be?
So it'll be determined when we do reach 770 or 780, you know? When we do break those lows, that time I'll determine it. because then I'd
Yeah.
have to pull it up maybe 20 pips. But if at that point we've broken and we have like a 5-minute that we can use as a stop loss, right? Then I'd look at using a 5-minute for stop loss. What is you doing? Drop? Oh wow, wonderful! I hate this game. 8 pips gone. Okay, come on, GJ. Don't disappoint us. Da-da-da-da. There you go. Gold move into 1820 as expected. As expected.
Are you waiting for closure, Samuel, or are you taking an impulse?
I'm gonna take an impulse if we break.
You're gonna make the Friday interesting, huh?
Yeah, let's put Freaky back into the Friday. Alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright, come in. Let's get ready to rumble. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. We're breaking out of this consolidation, so we are expecting to come back down to the next consolidation, which is about 25 pips away, maybe. Yeah, 25 pips. Alright, and I'm in.
I'm actually in.
Alright, and I'm going to use the
I'm in
5-minute
too.
high. There you go. Alright, so there you go. I'm gonna use that. We've broken the 4-hour low. So expecting continuation to the downside. You see how we've broken all these wicks to the left? That looks good for continuation to the downside. So let's see how this goes. Let's go. Oh, I actually got slipped on this. Did you guys get slipped on this?
No.
You went all the way down to
No.
764. Tragic.
Perfect.
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 Freaky Friday about to clap us out. Wow. We've broken all the lows. The 4-hour has broken the previous low too. So let's see how these 5-minute candles close, and then we shall look at managing our trade. Alright, keep half your position ready for whatever way it's gonna go.
No, I think we're good. We're good.
It looks good.
Looks decent, yes.
Yeah, but if this is a fake out from the downside to continue up, that'll be just terrible.
It could be.
Wait for a closure, I said.
Mm-hmm.
Take it on the impulse is what I did.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning,
you're
yes.
lucky.
Good. I went long just on that liquidity grab breakdown.
Alright, I'm gonna be closer in half over here. Yeah, I've
I'm up
closed.
7, 8 pips now. I'm up.
Fantastic.
Wowza.
I can't believe we could break all those lows against her. Freaky Friday clapped me, guys. Let's see. If we do go back down, on our way back down, if we close below 800, I will look at re-entering. As of now, it's looking like I will not have enough margin to re-enter, but it's alright.
Oh,
Damn.
Yeah.
I almost choked on my drink then, man.
That's nice.
What can we do? It is what it is.
The thing is, there was a double bottom to the left there on the 30-minute.
Mm.
So they wanted to spike that. Because it was extended to the downside as well on the 15-minute. So I just thought, no, it has to pull back. So if it got the liquidity grab, I would enter assuming it'll pull back if it was showing signs of bounce. So I've taken that half already. So I'm
Yeah.
easily profitable even on this break even.
Without your
Carry on.
$2,000 in commission.
No, and this is on the Fnatic account this time today.
Oh.
Yeah, I remember that.
Wow.
There we go. Let's go. Let's go now.
Wait, what's happening? Where are we going?
To this-
Trying to go back down.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Not allowed. Not allowed. Denied.
go down.
Should carry on going down.
Andrew just sitting there laughing. He didn't take a trade.
Did you know? I can't hear him, but
Or maybe he did and he's just pouting.
oh, he's always partying. He's making money both ways, man. Quietly without telling us, man.
Andrew, where you at, boy?
Yeah, yes, I'm just sweating bullets because I went large and in charge.
Oh, man.
Oh man, that's funny. Yeah, I used the one lot too.
What are you
Uh,
on this account?
Yeah, I use 5 lots. Well, let's see.
I use 52, 51 lots.
What?
God
I'm
damn.
at 50% already.
You're up 50%?
No, I'm out 50% already
Okay,
on this
I'm out
bounce.
50%.
Yeah. 'Cause my stop was so tight.
You
I'm
can,
already up like 3R.
you can just break even and just let it run in
Yeah.
case it just smashes at
Pulls
you.
down. Exactly.
So, yes, when you put your 50 lot in, it went up. Well done. Thanks for killing me.
Wait, so he was the reason?
he's the market mover.
No. I get stopped out a lot as well sometimes. It doesn't always work, guys. It's high risk in it.
Wait, how big is your account?
It's just a 100k account on the Fnatic I'm using.
Yes. Did you ever take a payout of an auto?
Not yet, no.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Soon to come.
Oh, come on.
Let's go.
Oh man.
Oh yeah, I actually got my second payout from Finate.
Nice.
I only managed to survive until 1. And
Oh, you did?
it wasn't a significant one.
I mean, it wasn't a lot of money, but it was cool.
I
Nah,
can
man, it's-
I think I can
Wait,
you know,
listen to
That's
Jacob
more than
on
most
this.
people.
look,
than most people.
I had 200,000 account. My withdrawal was $80.
What the
Better
hell?
than let's go, man.
FT about 200k.
I took massive gains of this account.
Oh yeah, after 50%, but yeah.
Man,
This is
how many lots you have? 25 lots on that?
Left, yeah. They can stop me and I'll still be up on this.
24, yeah.
Yeah, 24, 24. Yeah. Mhm.
Man, so when they were grabbing liquidity, we were the liquidity. Dang, man. How do I get myself stuck in these situations?
It might continue. The momentum is to the downside.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it to close now.
Yeah. Yeah, he wants to
Yeah.
try now. He's doing it now.
Pushing.
Push!
Let's
Or push.
please. Bullets.
Blow on this candle.
Or
Blow on
where's
it.
Andrew?
Oof.
Where's Andrew?
Andrew's
blown
joined
the
in.
wrong time.
No, it bounced again. Andrew joined in this time. Thanks, Andrew. With his 200 lot.
Oh, no.
No.
No, jeepers.
It just did it break
Nice.
that prior candle? I don't
It
think it
did
did.
not.
No, if it did not, then it can carry on down. If it broke and then pulled back, that would be really weak.
See,
Mhm.
right now you're probably at -5 pips, so you can close at 50%, which would be very good.
Oh. Oh.
Looks bearish.
Come on,
Oh.
let's
Come on,
go.
break it, break it.
I think now we broke.
Come on,
Yes.
Yeah, it's gonna
Yeah,
have to because it's
we-
tested it too
Whoa.
many times.
Go. Go.
break.
Go.
Come on, let's go.
Go. Go. Go.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. We have. Okay, so it's just -2 pips, 1 pip. Can we go? Can we drop? Alright, very nice.
Let's go,
Yeah,
let's go.
starting.
No, don't reject.
nice.
2, 1. Alright, this looks good. This looks good. That 58
Yeah.
closed outside.
Wait. Oh yeah. 50 didn't put it there.
What?
You can add more.
What did you just say?
You guys can add, not me. I'm just stop. I'm saying you guys on
Yeah.
this next impulse move down.
No, Jacob said something in a different language.
different
altogether.
unknown language.
Yeah, it's gone.
Come on, let's go, GJ.
No,
Come on.
man.
What is it
Let
doing?
Let it make the top break. Let it make the top break.
No. Go without a top break.
I'm about to start crying. I'm going to mute myself.
Are you in as well, Andrew? I didn't realize. I thought you just you
What?
said it would be an easy day for you. Oh, it's gone. It's bouncing.
Oh my days. No, do not bounce.
Bounce.
No.
Hold your stops
yes.
above the previous 5-minute high. So
Previous.
that's at least reduced risk.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
Correo.
Once,
Be a good buy.
if it flips, it's gone.
Yeah, it's just it will. I think it will. It's holding too long at the lows. It should go down. Bulls should have bounced it up by now if they really wanted this price level. It's my thinking. Maybe.
Come on, GJ, why are you playing the fool?
Oh, you in GG? I was in GU long. Never mind.
Just let it play out. Let it play out. If it breaks the highs, then you know it's going. If it breaks the low, you know money is gonna rain from the sky, literally. Yeah, if you need a source of 861, alright. If you need a source of entertainment, just switch over to the 1 minute time frame.
I'm watching
I
the
need a
30 second.
psychologist.
I'm watching the 30 second.
I need someone to talk to. Oh my
Come on,
God.
come on. Keep going. There. That was a nice pullback and bounce. Time to
Do
stop.
not redeem this.
Andrew, check out, did you close 50% at 1 pip?
I did not.
Oh my god, I literally told you guys. We are now at 1 pip, you can close 50% and reduce risk.
Did you actually
Did you
say
say
that?
that? I didn't hear
I
you
think he said
say
it in his
that.
head.
Oh
Do
my.
not redeem.
I even told
Through
you.
all my sobbing, I couldn't hear you. Sorry.
I told you guys at 5 pips also. Reduce
He's lying.
risk. You guys are so funny.
Andrew, I'm not trading today yet. Bam, massive position on a pair he hates.
Remember when I said to you, all I need is $20?
Oh.
Now you
Well,
need
now
what?
I need 100.
Oh no. My guys.
Oh no.
Nice, it's gone.
No, it's
Let's
not.
see if it
gone,
carries on
man.
now. If it goes back
It-
down, I'm gonna.
It's
Get
going
out.
mental.
Yes, just throw in a 50 lot for us,
Wait.
please. man.
Keep going. Going. Where's my?
That's enough of a top wick.
Yeah, I'm gonna close partial here again.
Close partial, you say?
At 10
But
pips.
we are going in opposite direction.
The thing
Oh,
is,
man.
that impulse move down. It was too extended into it.
Andrew, you're looking to close partials now?
I'm looking to just close the position and go to a pub.
Do you have enough
And get
money?
smashed.
No.
No,
Can I have-
it was the saddest no I've ever heard, man. That poker.
Maybe they give you credit for a few beers. Okay,
It
I
looks
like it.
This looks bearish now. This looks strong.
I like it. I like it.
Nice. It should carry on now. Maybe.
Let's carry on.
Yes, you've given us enough false hope for the day.
Yes.
I think
let's
it
go,
should
guys.
now because it's played all the stops
You
above.
think it should? Then short it 50
Look.
lots.
Nice.
Oh, it is good now. It looks good.
He bought and now he's saying, no, it's good. You guys buy more, sell more.
Buy more.
Oh, it looks good here, you guys.
No, it does not.
If you survive that pullback, I think you can put your stop on over there now. Clear stop. And just let it go either way.
For me, the spread is huge right now.
Is it?
1 pip on IC market, but
Looks like it'll be a bear flag in it, so it should carry down quite far.
oh, Madonna. Carry down. Let's go,
Come
carry
on,
down.
let's go, come on.
It's not coming on, Samuel.
Let-
Just give it a chance.
You
Give it a
guys,
chance.
okay,
I'm
I'm
giving it a
stopped up.
if you guys, if we make it back to 1 pip, if you guys are uncomfortable with your position, listen up. You
Off
need
it.
to reduce your
Yeah.
position size immediately.
Yeah.
I'm uncomfortable with trading.
Yeah, but if you're in this with massive lots, I need
It's going, it's going.
Wow.
as soon
It's
as
going.
we go down.
Wow. Let's
I
go.
think my girlfriend's on the stream because she just sent me, I'm leaving you.
That's motivation. I think. Go down,
Oh
go
my
down.
days.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah, it's going.
Oh my days. Yes, let's go.
It's broken. On GU, it's broken. DJ is still not has it. Oh, it's bouncing again. Let's see.
Man, please.
All right, if it's at your entry, reduce risk right now. If it's at
Yeah,
your entry.
definitely. Completely agree, 100%.
Because it's
Don't
not
get greedy.
worth it. It's not worth
There's
it.
lots of there's lots of opportunities, like TC says.
Exactly.
But we are already in this one.
That's not the point. You have to try and trade to live another day, man. There's loads of chances.
Nah, this is going down,
No,
guys.
Let's go with that.
I-
Oh,
Yeah.
now
yeah,
all the
yeah.
boys are
Really
confident. Let's go. It's
Come on.
going down, GJ. You go down. Before we whoop you. All the boys just put their
Man.
swag
It's
on.
not going down.
That's all. This musical chairs, man.
Listen, just put your
Should
stops
do,
above the
should do.
15-minute highs. Let it be. Whatever happens, happens. I hope you all close the Pasha.
It should do, definitely. It's just.
Jacob, did you close partial?
Yes.
Oh, damn it.
What are you doing, Andrew? Twice we've been down there.
But it's still. You'll have another chance, I think.
No matter how
Looks-
much faith you have in this trade, I don't care whether you're 1,000,000%.
Or how much you can make.
Yeah,
You're
I don't
heathen.
care whether you have 1,000,000% belief in this trade. If you're risking
safe.
more than your nerves can handle, you should close that trade out.
Or that you can risk, even. Even if you
Yeah.
mentally can handle it.
Yeah, close.
But it's going.
Not close the trade
Yep.
out. Close the at least half a position or something. Or close
Like here, now you got your chance.
till you
But it
have
should carry on.
a potential.
Yeah. Now it's
Everybody calm down. I'm a responsible trader. I haven't gone large.
Yeah, right.
Alright.
It's a house. What's more? I mean, you can get another house.
Steal one in it, just rob someone.
It's a South African way. Let's go.
No, I don't even mean it from South Africa. I mean in general.
You're
Oh,
not racist.
man.
You can rob anyone, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh man, I'm gonna add on to my position now.
It's balancing.
No. That's it. If it breaks these
That
highs,
was a
I'm
bit
out.
nasty. On GU, that was a bit nasty. Yeah, break down, then bounce.
I'm almost
Stopping everyone out who are long.
No.
I'm
No,
almost out.
Yeah, that was a nasty breakdown on GU to stop longs and then going. It should go up now, if that was liquidity grab.
Almost out. And I'm out.
Yeah, it's gone.
There you go. That's it. That's the end of it. So totally on that trade. Where was it? I lost 13 pips on that trade. So it's
You
all-
halved as
Yeah.
well.
Pardon?
But you halved as well, didn't you, and stuff?
Yep,
You took
yep.
partials before, so it wasn't
So-
that bad.
So that's why I was able to close the 13 pips. Otherwise, I would have lost around 20 odd. I got.
Or do you
sliced,
work it
man.
out?
My position came all the way down here,
Hmm.
right at the tippity, like right at the bottom.
Tippity.
The tippity.
Just probably just tipped his toes into it and then just went, nope.
Yeah, it's like I got a sniper entry in the wrong direction. So I technically didn't get a sniper entry. I got sniped.
The thing is, if you look on GU, the 4 hour it was at oversold as well, so it was really extended. RSI.
Yeah.
And it was just broke the lows in that extended. So the chances are that they will need a pullback.
Oh my word.
That's my thinking.
Any other pair would have given us a better trade. GU pushed 50 in pips. from where we wanted to enter. Gold is at 1820, but we still had to choose. Ugh,
GJ.
no, don't say that. The guys will say they don't want to say it anymore.
They've been saying that already, and they still trade it, man.
That's my last trade ever.
That's it.
US dollar ZAR, that's my new pair.
Oh man, we're ranging.
Man, you had to go and say that it's a boring Friday.
Aye.
Now we're all gonna be bored because we have no money left to do anything.
It was like no money to do nothing.
Oh man.
Mhm. It's good that you took half, guys. It's good practice. It's good discipline doing stuff like that.
So how much are you up on the account?
On the Notif I bought yesterday,
Okay.
so,
And how much are you
and I
up on
got
it
the
now?
200k. Yesterday I made 2.5%, and today this one is 0.8%. It stopped me out break even the second bit, so 0.8% on another today, so 3.3%.
Mm.
Yesterday afternoon I bought it, so yeah. And they want only, is it 7.5%? I think so. It's not even a small target that they asked for.
Yeah.
Are we allowed to revenge trade now or not?
No, no.
Of course. What do you think I'm doing?
That's what you meant to do.
No. Yo, guys, just wait. Be patient. Come on.
Extremely patient revenge trading.
Oh man.
Oh.
I like
Oh,
your style, man.
Let's see. GU, what is GU doing? Oh man, GU was so much better than. Yeah, it's okay. But look at those rejections from the downside now. Oh, you're 50% there, yes. Right? Yeah, you're 50% there.
Yeah.
You just need another.
3.6%?
Yeah.
3.5? Is it? I don't know.
Nice, nice.
Well, under 50% actually. They want 7.5 down there.
Are you
Another
gonna
4%.
trade? Are you gonna trade the same way if you do get funded?
Yeah.
Alright.
I might use smaller size
Yeah.
because I'm not bothered about making it a lot quickly. It's just more consistency then. And like you remember, we were talking about slippage yesterday. So I need to take that into account. So just slower and steady. Same.
Yeah.
Because then you can take your time once you actually have to. With this, when you're working as well, you feel a bit more pressure and like missing things when the days you're working. When you have to fund it, it's not as bad. Take your time.
Yeah. Oh, if GJ goes down now, I'm gonna lose it.
Don't chase it.
Yeah.
Of course, it's going to go down because it just whipped us out.
Jacob, are you revenge trading?
No, I'm still sweating.
Oh, you're still in it?
You
Yeah.
still in it?
Yeah.
Half
Oh,
trade.
man.
You are? Why?
Damn.
Because I have my reasons. I won't be sharing them with you.
He doesn't know him.
Okay, I'll share it with you. I just don't want to lose.
Oh, no.
Nah, man, you have to learn to be a good loser, man. That's something all of us struggle with.
Yes.
And that's one of my biggest weaknesses still, that I know I need to work on, always. It's probably a lifelong challenge for me. Being a good loser, knowing when to walk away, and actually walking away.
You need to listen to Craig David.
Who that?
Singer.
I'm walking away.
Yeah, he had some big songs back in the day. Rewind.
Oh.
Select.
Oh, people are still in it. Guys, be careful, man. I got out of it
Hey?
because it's almost like a fake out. And it's ranging, so leave that.
All I want is 30 pips. That's it.
I thought you could say all I want for Christmas.
That's all I want.
I thought you were going to sing some Mariah Carey for us then. All I want for...
But not for Christmas. I want it now.
I want it now. Hmm.
People always say get out of your comfort zone, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh,
I believe in
no.
that as well.
I don't. You know where Jacob is going with it.
There you go. This is being out of my comfort zone.
Yeah.
But it's teaching you bad habits, man. Trust me, man. I've been there.
Ugh.
I'm telling you, man. It's not the way to trade. Because even if you win on this one, it's not. You're not going to be in trading for long.
I will. I just need to top up my account very often.
Yeah.
It's the redeposit strategy.
Yes.
There's this trader. He's a YouTuber, I think. He was talking about it years ago. He makes millions a year. One of his friends also traded with him. But he used to add on to losers when he was going against him, and it ended up working for him like 80-90% of the time. And he always used to boast about it, how he had held his nerve and stuff, and had diamond hands, and he made so much. And it was just that one trade where it didn't work for him.
I had similar situation.
Yeah, no, we all do. And that guy is saying that guy, his friend, is now his gardener.
Oh,
Oh my word.
I was trading with a guy from Merrill Lynch,
Think about that.
and
That
he
guy
was
is now his gardener.
yeah,
Wait,
and
this-
he
this
was
is
doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Is it
Yeah,
Jacob?
We made 17,000 in 3 months out of 1,000,
Hmm.
but there was no stop losses.
Nice. Like
And
that
then
trading style.
and then within 3 months we lost everything on 4 positions.
I've been there, man. I lost 70 grand in one trade once. Remember, I told you guys once.
Yeah, that's painful.
My own capital, not funded.
Yeah, same, my own.
70. 7-0.
That's just madness, yo.
You have to realize in one thing in trading, the power in trading is not the trading and all that, it's the compounding over time. That's the magic of it. And you have to survive long enough to appreciate that. That's where you make your billions. Not risking too much and oversizing and over trading. It's the compounding.
Hmm.
That's the magic formula. Because even if you win on this, it's not a good win. Not a good win. You have to realize there's such thing as a bad winner and a good loser.
As long as I buy myself a nice meal, I don't care. I'll take any win. I have my stops a bit further up. That's it.
Mhm.
It's not that I'm completely reckless, you know. I just
No,
say things.
no, I know you're not. I'm just saying in general.
Just say things to make sounds and make
Yeah,
people
that's
laugh.
what I'm doing as well. Just making noises. Hippo noises.
Andrew's still crying?
Nah,
Oh, yeah.
I'm thinking of closing my terminal because I'm deadly close to just revenging this loss.
No,
Yeah,
no,
you-
definitely,
You're
definitely.
best
then.
off. You're best off to close it then.
Nah, I have.
Nice.
Now reopen it and enter.
No. To be honest, it'd be best to even just close the chart and just watch the YouTube stream, maybe.
Get a fresh perspective, walk around the house, come back and reopen position. That's it.
Yeah.
Now, do you have magic keys?
No, sir.
How do you do it then? Do you just calculate or do you have fixed lots?
No, I just have fixed lots.
Alright, do not watch any trading content though. The more trading content you watch, the more enticing it'll be to, trade.
No, my terminal is closed. I'm just watching your screen so I can see if Jacob makes it or not. I'm
Listen to his
rooting for him.
Yeah, right.
with your pom-poms in the air. You can do it.
No, if we fail to break it soon. I mean, this 30-minute looks decent. Still.
Mhm.
It needs to close below obviously 800, but
Ooh, look at buy. SPX 500. That was the trade, really. The indices. Oh, Nasdaq, especially as well. They drop at night.
that's not good.
You stuck right inside a range, man. For an impulse
Yeah.
trading style, it's not going your way in that sense. Sometimes you recognize stuff like this.
For me, this is boring. I'm not seeing anything interesting.
Yeah, there's no trading at the moment. But we have to be there for our comrades in arms.
Yeah.
Last time you said it's boring, we got into some exciting stuff.
Oh, is something
But
happening?
your
Like
boring and
news-
our boring
news or
is a little
something?
different.
No, I don't think so.
Look what's happening.
Let me check. I've got no news. No news.
So why was this move such a There was
No,
a
no,
stream.
because you're watching it so tightly, man. You're stuck right in the
No,
1 minute
no.
chart or something.
Yeah, because he's
You,
watching like
it's
a
you,
one-
man, not them charts. It's you. You're feeling it now, man. Your emotions are making you see things
I
bigger
am
than they
good.
are.
I have no emotions. Just ask my wife.
My wife says that too, man. Calls me a robot sometimes, man. That strangely hurts my feelings. Well, clearly she's wrong.
What is it doing?
Mm.
Hmm.
Ooh.
Let's see how this pans out.
Everything's trying to bounce.
I'm shouting for you, Jacob. You just can't hear me.
I can
out! Close your trade!
I can sense
That's
it.
why he's shouting.
Like the chickens that he has outside the window.
My inner voice is crying, but I'm shouting for you.
Oh, good. I'm okay with this position. Otherwise, I'd close it. You know.
What percentage
Yeah.
are you risking?
I don't risk percentage. I mean, I risk percentage 20%.
No, really. How much are you risking?
Really, I have 1,000 bucks. My stop loss is at 200.
So you basically want to blow that account, don't you?
No. This is what I do, and then I make 200.
No,
bucks.
it will happen. It will happen. Even with a 70%
Yeah,
accuracy
but-
trading, that account will be blown.
But
you perfectly-
I will withdraw until then. You know, I'm taking half of my wins straight away.
I think
I
you realize
mean-
what I'm saying is basically there is a calculator you can look online called risk of ruin. It calculates if they're based on your trading style. If it's 70% accuracy, RRS this, and you're risking this much percentage, the probability of you blowing your account over 100 trades or 1,000 or whatever it is,
I
this
understand.
percentage. Do you even know what your
My risk-
percentage of your strategy is?
I don't have
Accuracy.
strategy.
Except to keep the account in positive.
No, yeah, that's my strategy. No, really, yes. I had this was an account that I was going to blow, you know.
Okay.
This
That's the
was
thing. If there's a difference, if it's a different trade
It's-
account and stuff, it's not your main.
I had a year ago or so we put this $1,000 onto each account. I mean, each one of us put $1,000 on the account, and we called it slap account.
Yeah.
And we've been trading 10% on each trade. So
Like it's similar to doing a 10K challenge.
yes,
You lose $1,000, you blow the 10K challenge, right? 10%.
Yeah.
You blow the $1,000, you lost the 10K challenge.
Did you boys buy gold?
No.
Oh,
No.
Wait, you bought gold?
yes, sir, I did.
Wait, did you just buy gold?
When? At what price did you get it?
I thought he said he closed his terminal.
it did.
Can you not hear me closing all those trades?
Oh man, Andrew,
I made my money back. Thank you.
that's
You made your
nice.
money back?
Yes, sir, I did.
Oh my
Oh.
god, you revenged it. Yo,
I did.
okay, guys, okay, see, you got your money back.
We all need to punch him now.
No, you got your
But
money
we have to
back,
go to
Andrew.
South Africa.
You're not using those lot
What?
sizes again.
No, I didn't go big. I was only joking. I didn't go big. I go, you know me, I go in at small amounts. I don't go crazy. I'm not going to ruin
You
this
know you're a
account.
crazy guy, man.
For me, it was just your voice completely changed when we were in that
Yeah.
train. I felt bad.
No, I was getting messages from my girlfriend. She found a kitten, and now I'm stressing because I don't need another cat.
How many do you have?
5.
Yo,
Oh, really?
Andrew's the
I've got one and it's hard enough, man.
Andrew's the creepy
Bye,
lady
guys.
down the road.
And they're not catching the chickens.
Oh, they're not. They're useless.
Oh, nice.
Andrew, you're the creepy lady down the road.
Crazy cat lady.
Yeah,
Andrew.
he's the weird cat lady who has like 7 million
That's
pigeons
a cool
running around.
though. But 5 is a lot of work, man.
Oh man, I need $9 to get
Doesn't matter, man.
advanced. $9.
No, don't do that. Just
No, I'm not going to.
yeah,
I'll
don't
wait
trade
for
the P&L.
Monday.
Trade what you see, man.
I'll wait for Monday. Oh man.
Don't look at the P&L. Just look at the current trade only. Just think, what's the best way
No.
to?
I've
Manage
seriously closed my terminal now.
You said that last time, man.
No.
I know, but then I opened it again and I saw gold. Actually,
Is that
DC
close?
opened in gold and I saw that nice support system there. What's this? Stream trader. Oh man, this thing is just going up and down and up and down.
It's in a range.
It's just not doing. Are you going to try to take profit or are you going to close the break even if it gets to break even, Jacob?
I want to see 1 hour closure.
Okay.
Yeah.
You might get rewarded for this trade, but it's not always great, man.
I know, I understand that. Might not get rewarded. Because it's pulling back fairly steep now.
No, it's trying to make a bear flag, you could argue. On the 15-minute. It's not bad in that sense.
I think it's going to come down.
I do believe it's gonna come down.
Yeah, to me it looks like it's going to go.
But
It's trying to stop out as many people on both sides before it does it.
Yeah, it's trying to mix people up.
It's doing a damn good job.
It is, yeah.
You'll have to stick to
Confused.com.
your own rules. So if you have a stop somewhere, don't move it.
No,
Tighten
no.
it.
My stops are
Yeah.
my stops are fairly steady. I'm gonna move them to this previous probably 15, but I still want to see the 1 hour closure. One hour closure.
DC, you going to stake tonight?
after that, yeah, I'm gonna apply for a job at the local butcher. No, I'm not going for a steak tonight.
And what are you gonna put in your CV? Miserable trader.
Oh. When someone asked me what was the reason for, what was the reason you weren't successful in this field, I'm just gonna put 2 letters.
No.
Guess those 2 letters. 2
No.
alphabets. No, not no.
Indicators.
No, that's,
SL.
no. GJ.
Yeah.
That's all. If that's not enough reason, I don't know what is.
I'm gonna be quite happy with the closure below 850.
Yeah.
That happens, of
A
course.
30-minute closure below 800 would be perfect.
Yeah, 30-minute closure below 800 or 1 hour below 850. I'm happy with. You're not getting what you want always, eh?
I. Bum, 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 bum. See, when it's ranging, you just gotta let it go and wait till it breaks out of the range. There's literally nothing else you can do.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
Yeah, the thing is, we can say it's gonna go down, but until it breaks below, it's not going down. So as long as we stay in that range, let's just leave it to the range.
Give it for me.
Oh, why did you do that?
Geo has rejected coming back up. Dun 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 dun.
Damn, I should have held on to gold.
Interesting Friday, eh? Fun times.
Very interesting.
I wouldn't say fun, but interesting.
It's still fun. We had a lot of laughs. It was nice.
Yeah.
That's the thing about a community, you know?
Yeah, you can laugh your losses.
Yeah. And the thing
But
is,
then when we go to bed tonight and we in our own thoughts and we can't sleep.
Yeah. And then the following week we opening a demo account.
That's all we could afford then, isn't it?
No longer have capital to trade.
Man, the way we trade, no broker's going to give us a demo trade.
Yes.
so you guys can try out FP Markets, the broker you're not going to use.
I just want to see what their commissions are like. You say it's good.
It's good. Everything is good on FP.
You know, until I saw Yas's commissions yesterday, my word, I've never looked at mine, and both myself and Jacob went and looked at RC Markets and realized we're getting absolutely raped.
Yeah, $7 on a lot.
Yeah.
That's 3.5. Even
Really?
Vantage was even lesser than that. Vantage was
Yeah.
2.5.
$7 on the lot. Yeah, so we are
Or $3.
actually on your 50 lot trade. We'd pay $3.50 commission.
Yeah.
So
So 7 in total. So 3.5.
okay,
Mine's 5 in total.
I don't like what's happening.
Yeah. You got spanked, but it's been a good time. Yeah, easy. We did. We got sniped. We didn't snipe today.
Yeah, that's not looking good.
No, one last minute.
I showed GU on that bounce.
Alright, you know what? I'm gonna close YouTube. So YouTube chat, thank you for joining us today. See you all on Monday. We'll be starting a 200k challenge with Global Trader Funds. So don't miss that. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. We see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to read the outro as you all go.